what is the numerical value of the expression? We have negative 3 times, and in parentheses we have 8 minus 9 minus 4. The order of operations for integers. First we have to do parentheses, power if you have, multiplication, division, subtraction, or addition from left to right. So we have here parentheses. So first we have to do parentheses, next multiplication, and the last subtraction. So this is equal, negative 3 we have to copy, times 8 minus 9. We subtract from the smallest number, greater number. So how we do this? We can always change subtraction to addition. 8 we copy, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. Opposite to 9 is negative 9. We change subtraction of integers to addition of opposites. Positive sign we change to negative, opposite to 9 is negative 9. And we copy 4. So this is equal, negative 3 we have to rewrite, times, and now we have in parentheses addition of two numbers, one is positive, one negative. So first we forget about negative sign and we check which of these two numbers is greater. 9 is greater. Before 9 we have negative sign. So we have to copy this negative sign and in parentheses subtract from the greater number smaller, close parentheses, minus 4. So this is equal, negative 3 we copy, times, negative sign we have to rewrite, 9 minus 8 is 1. Minus 4. So this is equal. Next we have multiplication and subtraction. So first we have to do multiplication. We have negative number times negative. When we multiply negative times negative or divide negative by negative, the answer is always positive. So we will have positive sign and we have 3 times 1 minus 4. So this is equal. Positive sign you don't have to write. So we have 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4. Again, we have smallest number and greater. Subtraction. Integers. So what we do? We first have to rewrite this as addition of opposites. So we copy 3, subtraction we change to addition, and opposite to 4 is negative 4. So this is equal. Now we have addition of integers. One is positive, one negative. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. So 4 is greater than 3. Before 4 we have negative sign. So we copy negative sign and we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have negative sign, 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer will be negative 1.